In this video we will be covering starting the chainsaw and stopping the chainsaw.
Okay, before you attempt to start the chainsaw, always remove the cover from the bar. The lock should be in the down position. So now the chain is totally locked. The switch, the on-off switch, move to the on position. The bulb, pump the bulb 6 times. And the choke, lift the choke manually like so. Okay. Never ever push the choke down. The choke will automatically release when the throttle is operated. So do not, after it's up, push it down. Always activate the choke by pulling the trigger. To start the chainsaw now, it's a matter of holding the chainsaw down firmly and then pulling the starter cord until the motor kicks. It will probably not run. It will try and start and then stop. At that stage, we'll move to the next stage. But as soon as it just fires once or kicks over, then we stop pulling the starter cord. Like so. Now, pull the trigger and the choke will automatically go down. Like so. To pull the trigger, you must activate the safety lever and then pull the trigger, like so. One-handed operation, like so. Now it's a matter of just holding the chainsaw firmly again and giving it a firm pull on the starter. Allow the saw to warm up a little bit, and once the chainsaw has warmed up, you can release the chain brake by pulling the lever forward, like so. By pulling the trigger, the chainsaw will increase its speed and engage the chain. Push the safety lever down and then the trigger. Stop the chainsaw, turn the on-off switch to the off position. When you've completed, it's always wise to leave the chain brake on, so click the handle forward. Always replace the cover on the chain.